So one thing I was really excited this year to finally hit the market is a new power pole trolling motor. There's just a lot of things you can do to customize it. There's a digital readout screen for your power. It shows you if it has GPS satellites, if it's an anchor mode, and all the features that it has. And then you can put multiple in the boat if you want one in the front, back, or wherever you might want it. It has these buttons for your anchor mode and your heading lock and your constant that you also used to hit accidentally all the time when you're running the trolling motor foot pedal. And now they have them, but they're just individual and you can mount them where you want them. And to me, I have them way far forward of my foot pedal where I can just step on them when I need them. Or you can mount them in the back of the boat or have a couple sets of them wherever. And so it's just one of those things where you can kind of customize this for how you like it or if you even need it. This trolling motor is super powerful. You know, it gets a 621 Ranger going over 3.5 miles an hour at full steam. Will I ever use it that fast? Probably not. Is it there if I need it? Yes. And at the end of the day, it'll probably be used in spot lock sometime on the Great Lakes trying to hold anchor in big waves. But to me, the most impressive thing is how quiet this thing is. It doesn't matter if I'm turning with it or if it's, you know, if I'm going 2 miles an hour, it's super quiet. And I notice it all the time using forward-facing sonar that I catch myself being on the gas too long because I kind of forget it's going. And so to me, I've been really happy with it. I'm glad I got a chance to use it this half of the season because I've been really impressed with it.